Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. How to seem thinner than you are. We all want to look slim and fit. If for any reason the diet and gym are not available yet, do not despair, there are some tricks that will help lose weight even visually. The editor-in-chief of the Beauty About Alexandria Wagner told how to seem thinner than you are. Put on a black turtleneck, and let her tight-fitting throat only. Personally, I do not know the best conspirator of a swollen abdomen with sides. This thing is the uniform of every second guest of fashion shows. Not all of them are actually thin. In summer, a turtleneck can be replaced with a boyfriend shirt. Just do not tuck it into jeans or trousers, and let it be solid or in a thin vertical strip. Make the right makeup. Reduce cheek, increase the stiffness. Select the cheekbones with the blushes of a beige sunny scale, draw a comma on your cheek, from above, go by the highlighter. Pink is not worth taking, even if you have very light skin, they are refreshing, but do not lose weight. The second step is to emphasize the eyes. Do not choose too dark shadows, so the color of the eyes will lose, and if you lower your eyelids, your eyes will appear smaller, and your cheeks are bigger. To accentuate the lips as if you do not have a second chin. Do not forget about the eyebrows, the right shape and width also lose weight. Cut off the bangs. Straight, long, almost to the eyes. Yes, shoot it. And the young, by the way, too. If you have long hair and an oval, triangular face shape, experiment with high hairstyles based on beams. They effectively stretch the face. If the face is round, it is better, on the contrary, to wear the hair loose, but do not remove them by the ears. Between trousers and skirts, choose skirts. Your style is a trapezoid or not too wide bell. The length is up to the knee. And materials, medium density. Not too thin, will emphasize the bends of the body when walking, and not too thick, visually add volume. Wear pulling underwear. Start with the purchase of a multifunctional thing, body with shorts. Such models are almost every linen brand, a great choice and sexy models I found in the brand Bliss. It has a special line Bliss Slim and its online store. The main thing is that the material is dense enough, and the model, without visible seams. Tight pantyhose is also an option. These can be found not only in well-known brands, but also on websites with products for pregnant women. Pantyhose for expectant mothers pulls the hips and calves without the slightest harm, but only with benefit, prevents swelling and the appearance of vascular reticulums. Choose a wide heel. The thicker the heel, the thinner your calves seem. The thinner the heel, the rows, on the contrary, are visually greater. Make the right color. Flat coloring in one tone accentuates all your proportions. Different types of melioration and shtusha, that is, glare in the hair, attract attention to the face, and not to the body, plus it refreshes and adds extra volume to the hairstyle, which, unlike plump volumes, never hurts, right? Take care of sunburn. The swarthy body always seems slightly more slender. I'm against extreme roasting in the sun. But quality tanning is a force. It is best to lay down and naturally look, no tigers, funds with a gradual effect. Brilliant is La Mer, from more affordable, Lancaster. They generally have a huge line. At one time I was sitting tiny on the tanning lot girl line from the line Terracotta. For the most natural result, I did not use it by myself, but mixed it with a regular body cream. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.